Hi guys, welcome back. Happy New Year to you all. So guys, in this video, I will be showing you what I ordered from Temu. So here I have my shine and jam gel to braid your hair, boss braid. So I also have some bands for kids. I will be using this for my baby girl. So yeah, I also have some clips. You can use this for your fridge to protect your fridge and kitchen cabinet. So I bought this because of my baby girl because she's always opening my fridge down, my kitchen drawer. So at the end of this video, I will be showing you how I fix them. Yeah, I have some pants for my baby girl. So I will be wearing her when she stop pampers. It's a training pampers. Training pants, yeah. So I bought this for my dummy head to make my wig. So I'll be fixing it in this video. So here is something you can put in your nails to protect your nails, especially when you cut test your nails. So it's really good. So here I have the hairband. So after laying your wig cap. So after you style it, then you can use it to protect it. So here I have a comb of the, what is it called, hair dryer. Yes. So here is a press comb. I will be using this to slay my wig. So this is really amazing. I have tested it. It's really nice. I've tried it. So yeah, I've fixed the tools for the head, for the dummy head. So this gum will protect it for sleeping, so it will not slip off. So guys, if you are new to this channel, you are welcome. My name is Julia. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up this video. I do appreciate that guys. Let me leave you guys to watch the rest video. Bye. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please guys, please, if you are not yet subscribed, please do not skip subscribe. Subscribe guys. Thank you in advance. Bye.